hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source,
WLAC.
intact. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Lakewood, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Melinda City, Old Hickory, Green Hill, Whites Creek, and Gladeville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 219 and 237. Interstate 65 between mile markers 88 and 99. Interstate 24 between mile markers 39 and 44. Interstate 840 between mile markers 67 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Woo! It's pretty much a close call.